If you're serious about achieving a flawless finish on your vehicle, the Monster Extreme Thickness Microfiber Towels are a must-have in your detailing kit. These deluxe towels are designed to handle every detailing task with ease, thanks to their ultra-soft microfiber construction and luxurious silk edging. Perfect for both interior and exterior detailing, these towels provide the ultimate protection for your vehicle's surfaces, ensuring a scratch-free experience every time you wipe down your car, truck, or any other vehicle. What makes the Monster Extreme Thickness Microfiber Towels stand out from the competition is their unique silk-banded edges. Unlike standard microfiber towels with harsh nylon edges that can scratch and damage delicate paintwork, the Monster towels are equipped with soft silk edges that offer 100% protection. This ensures that you won't leave any unwanted marks or swirls on your paint, keeping your vehicle looking pristine with every use. Whether you're drying off, polishing, or detailing, these towels provide the perfect combination of softness and durability. Detailers, both professionals and enthusiasts, understand how important it is to use the right tools for the job. Spending hours achieving the perfect finish can be ruined by a cheap towel with rough edges. Monster Extreme Thickness Microfiber Towels eliminate that risk, giving you the confidence to complete your detailing job without worrying about scratches or swirls. These towels are versatile and reliable for all automotive tasks, from drying to polishing, and are suitable for all types of surfaces. Not only do these towels offer exceptional performance, but they also save time. As one professional car detailer noted, Monster towels are the do-it-all towels, allowing you to seamlessly transition between different tasks without the need to search for a different towel. The high-quality material and construction make them durable and long-lasting, ensuring you get plenty of use out of every towel. Don't compromise on your detailing results. Invest in the Monster Extreme Thickness Microfiber Towels for superior performance and protection. Click the link in the description to get yours today and experience the difference. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more essential product reviews and tips.